In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with an Amex gift card on Amazon. Have you ever found yourself with an Amex gift card and wondered just how to use it on the Amazon platform? Well, you're in luck because I'm here to walk you through this simple process, step by step, and help you utilize your gift card with ease. To begin with, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. Once you've done that, navigate over to the top right corner of the Amazon homepage and click on Accounts and Lists to access your personal account settings. Here you'll find an array of options, but what we're interested in is managing your payment methods. After clicking on your account, the next thing you're going to do is look for the Your Payments option. This section is where Amazon houses all the details regarding payment methods linked to your account, such as credit cards, debit cards, and importantly, gift cards. So go ahead and click on Your Payments. Once you find yourself in the Payments section, you might notice a section dedicated to Amazon gift cards. This is where the magic happens. Click on the area that mentions Amazon gift cards. This will guide you towards the specific function for managing and redeeming them. With the Amazon gift card page open, you're now going to want to locate and click on Redeem a gift card. This action leads you to a page specifically designed for entering gift card claim codes, which is how you apply your Amex gift card to your Amazon balance. Now, it's time to get your Amex gift card ready. On the back of your card, you will find a claim code. Input this code carefully into the allotted field on the Amazon page. Double check that you've entered it correctly. A single misplaced character can cause errors and prevent your card from being redeemed. After entering your claim code, verify all the details to make sure they're accurate. Once you're confident you've entered the information correctly, go ahead and click to redeem. This will allocate the funds from your Amex gift card to your Amazon balance, allowing you to use these funds at checkout for your next purchase. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added your Amex gift card to your Amazon account, making it readily available for use. This method not only ensures that your gift card funds are utilized quickly and efficiently, but also streamlines your online shopping experience on Amazon. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more how-to videos that simplify your digital payments and online shopping endeavors.